Oh, hello guys. I didn't even say hi. I'm sorry for that too. So yeah, this is the second day, and I think as you realize, I love their breakfast. I have like cleared everything on the plates. I don't have a photographer like a cameraman today, so my videos are a bit messed up. But yeah, I think I love their breakfast. That is what I wanted to tell you, and yeah. Tabia wa Kenya samoti. Enjoy lunch. Friday. Ito nini Friday siya. Yeah. I'm so thank you. I'm so full guys. Wow. Nimeovereat. Enyewe nilikuwa njaa. Now I have to like finish all this. Enyewe nimeshiba. Sioni kama design iko na space. It looks really like bad. Sioni kama nitapata space ya kuiweka. So yeah, they really are kind because they brought some extra cherry tomatoes for my baby because hizo tu ndo amekubali kukula. And yeah, I love their service. Say hi, Baba. Say hi. See, we are vlogging, so say hi. I like literally know you guys like my emotion, eh? It's now my me time with the baby. I'm so full now. Nimekula almost everything. Yeah. So about Friday here, maybe I could give a review or something. I think I love their food so bad. Their service is also awesome in the vicinity, as you have seen. I think I took like I sneak videos in between. Mkaziona mkaona vile tu huku ni kuzuri, like it's near the ocean, like iko beach iko tu karibu. Just that I'm with the baby, so I can't move around sana. Yeah, they also have like a good swimming pool. The baby also can't really get why the animals around us. Anyways, I was taking a cake. Should I call this a vacation? I don't chafu, but you should forgive me because you know I have a baby, and so that's not chafu. Okay, so yeah, I took a break from work just to come and relax. And it's hectic. This is the first time I'm traveling with the baby, and I'm like, wow. So being a mother is quite, like, it's hard. Because I'm just in the same place. I cannot even move around and like explore. Because I know the baby will tell me haraka. So mara sad ones will have to fanya nini. And then when he wants something, this baby is very, very weird. Akitaka kitu amechana. I like how it's very. You also vlog it? Then tell them something. Tell them something, baby. If you say something, I also don't know what that means, but yeah. I'm waiting for someone to come pick us up. I wish to go to the beach and maybe have a swim kidogo, but the weather is a bit off. As you can see, I'm like around a lot of clouds. Let me try and take a video. So naogopa kuondoka nikiingia amekunyesha, and he's also a bit sick, like kuna joto. Sitaki kumexpose sana. So yeah. Anyway, if you've not subscribed to this awesome, beautiful channel of ours, please do so, because it supports our channel a lot. I'm looking forward to the growth, and that's the only way to do that. So please don't just watch, please subscribe to support us. And share with your friends, so that we can grow real fast. And yeah, maybe we can go visit awesome places often together. See you later. I think I'm going to like take you around around the pool. This is hot. Let me use the back camera. You will take me. So this is the pool area, and sasa ndio tuone pale chini. Sijui ni coast beach. Eh? Hot swimming pool ama cold, yeah? Most of the swimming pools over here are cold. I think it's because of the weather. My baby is really happy. I know what's making him happy. Baridi, upepo. I love work I do. Honestly, work I don't even have sight.
Why jam?
This place is amazing. I love the view. I know you guys, you won't believe what I'm saying. They have an amazing beach. I'm trying to figure out how I can get there.
And bro. Zuri maneno. Anitaliwa waningaria mimi, sio?